experiencing in the Mangalore city is that type of moral policing activities as such. It is actually a problem in the Mangalore city. But it is taken in a way they wanted to take one religion against the another, or they wanted to protect some people from some other things, and they are having literally they are having some sort of hidden agenda as such. But actually this youth, those who are doing such types of moral activities, moral policing activities, they can change it to some other way, the way in which our father of nation has given the idea, that is peaceful way of objecting certain things for the common good. It is not for the particular individual or even other groups as such. Instead of that, they can take a moral policing for the common good. Like if some road is being repaired, the contractor is making use of that money for his own self-benefit. He is preparing a road very badly. Such groups can come there and silently, without any violence, they can garrow him, they can suggest him, and thereby they can insist him to prepare that road in a good manner. Or you can find in Mangalore, many buildings are coming up, setbacks have not been given. If at all while taking the permission they have given the building parking in the basement itself, but after the completion of the building they are making use of that basement for the commercial purpose. Parking is a menace in Mangalore, so people are parking their vehicle on the road in front of the building. It is a problem for every commuters there, whether it is vehicle owners or even a pedestrian. But this moral policing group can come to such types of buildings. They can agitate there, or go to the PWD office, or go to the corporation office, agitate there and try to make this problem proper, so that whatever the problems of the city can be changed. See, as you all know that Mangalore is very shortly going to get a tag called Smart City. Whether Mangalore is ready for the smart city? If I say, according to me, Mangalore has not reached to that level. Geographically, Mangalore is in and around 10 to 15 radius of Mangalore city, not more than that. And in Mangalore city, people, are they responsible? No. Whether the bureaucrats are responsible? They are not responsible. They are not having accountability also. Whether the politicians or representatives of the people are responsive, they are also not responsible. They will hear some problems and they will forget immediately after that. In such a condition, both the parties, whether it is Congress or Congress ruling in Karnataka or BJP ruling in center, may, because of their prestige or ego purpose, they may get the tag of smart city. But the people, the representatives or the bureaucrats are not ready to accept that smart city as such in mind. So these types of problems, whenever they are taking the permission from the municipality, they are referring it to the parking, but when after the completion they are using it for the commercial purpose. Setbacks, everywhere it is not there. Concretized roads, no footpath, no drainage facilities. Even if it is there, water is flowing on the roads only, not going into the trench as such. So in such a way, bureaucrats also not making, people also not very much aware about this smart city concept as such. They are taking a haphazard parking. Whenever I want to go to one shop, in the sense I park my vehicle on the road and I will go to the shop. So in such places, these moral policing people, if they come in large number, or the same type of experiences been made by Anna Hazare in these recent years, and Aam Aadmi has taken the advantage of it and they have come to the political power in Delhi. Just like that, if somebody, some moral policing group taking that type of initiative in Mangalore, definitely in the next general election of the Mangalore Corporation, that group will win in majority, because the majority of the people are in silent here in Mangalore. They are undergoing all types of agony, hardship and other things, but they are not being heard by anybody, not even the other co-citizens, representatives, bureaucrats, and even the geographical condition also not favorable to them. In such a way, so moral policing should not be taken in a religious way or other side, but instead of that they can take it in a Gandhian way to set right the common good and give service to the people, and thereby make the developed nation as such, developed city as such, and a smart city as such. That is the idea which we have to take forward and take the things for the development as such.